This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Susie Weldon. Move-in ready and fully renovated, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home Atkins offers approximately 1,400 square feet of refreshed living space. Located just half a mile from I-40, enjoy easy travel access. New flooring throughout was installed in 2026, while the kitchen showcases granite countertops. Marble countertops add an elegant finish to the primary bathroom. Major improvements offer peace of mind, including a roof installed in 2023, HVAC system and sewer updates completed in 2025, plus a new water heater and gas line installed in 2026. The practical floor plan features generous living and kitchen areas with room to gather, relax, and entertain. Outside, the backyard offers a welcome sense of privacy that is a rare find in a subdivision, creating an ideal setting for peaceful mornings, outdoor dining, play, pets, or weekend get-togethers. With extensive renovations, stylish finishes, and convenient interstate access, this Atkins home is ready for its next chapter. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review